दोस्तों कैसे हो आप लोग। वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू व्लॉग। तो आज का व्लॉग है काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं अपने दोस्त हर्ष से। हाय गाइस। तो मैं हर्ष के बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दूं तो हर्ष रिसेंटली यूके आया है और भाई ने अपनी ACCA कंप्लीट की और अभी 2 महीने पहले ही रिसेंटली ही लंदन आया है। तो हम इससे बात करेंगे कि इसकी अप्रोच वगैरह क्या थी, इसका रिक्रूटमेंट कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था और ये सारी चीज़ें हम डिस्कस करेंगे ताकि आप लोगों को भी हेल्प हो, जो भी कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट है या जो भी फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री में है एंड इफ़ दे वांट टू कम इन यूके तो उनके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा। दोस्तों मैं हर्ष आपसे बोलूँगा कि आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करो।
Thank you, Ankit. So to begin with, I completed my graduation from Delhi University, Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, and I started my ACCA back in 2018 itself. और मैं कॉलेज से ही प्लेस हुआ था KPMG ग्लोबल सर्विसेज में गुड़गांव ऑफिस, एंड एट दैट टाइम I cleared around 8 exams of ACCA, and remaining 5 exams I cleared, and I got my membership in January 23. So it's been an exciting journey for me, and now I joined London office in their audit department itself.
तो भाई मतलब तेरी ACCA जर्नी कैसी थी, मतलब कि तूने जैसे बताया कि कॉलेज में स्टार्ट कर दिया था तो वो जर्नी कैसी थी? क्योंकि लोग जनरली मैंने जो एक्सपीरियंस देखा है कि सिंस मैं भी ACCA मेंबर हूँ तो कि हम लोग अपने मतलब जो कंपनी है उसमें काम करते हैं तो वैसा होता है। जनरली मैंने बहुत कम लोगों को देखा है, आजकल ट्रेंड हो गया लोग करके आ रहे हैं, लेकिन जो हमारे टाइम पे था कि लोग कंपनी में आके तब करते थे।
Exactly.
तो कैसा था जर्नी आपका?
So जब मैंने स्टार्ट करा था तब भी मुझे आइडिया नहीं था लाइक व्हाट दिस कोर्स इज़ ऑल अबाउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ गेटिंग जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, and like it's a dream for me and dream for every ACCA student who is working hard and preparing for their exams to just get an exposure of working outside India, because this qualification caters to the like global companies to specifically. So मैंने जब स्टार्ट करा था I was doing few other things as well at that particular time. I appeared for CPT exams, I appeared for some of the low entrance exam, and then I found this course, and I just took a leap of faith and registered myself in this course and just started. And as I proceed with this course, I met few people who was also pursuing this particular course, but not in their graduation, but they were working and they were also pursuing this course. So that's how I started, and that's how I figured out to just jump in. It's about my college placement committee who gave me this opportunity to I got a chance to join KPMG Global Services back in 2020. Yeah.
Thank you Harsh for sharing your ACCA journey with us. It was very helpful to get an idea कि आपने कैसे शुरू किया ACCA जर्नी और लोग कैसे शुरू कर सकते हैं अपने कॉलेज में ही। तो हमारा जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि आपको जॉब कैसे मिली लंदन में, सिंस यू वर इन द KPMG ग्लोबल सर्विसेज, तो इंटरनली मूव होने के लिए क्या जॉब एक्सपीरियंस होता है? सिंस मैं भी KPMG में था और मैं PwC में मूव हुआ तो वो मैं अपनी वीडियो में कर दूंगा कि आउटसाइड ऑफ फर्म आपको अगर जाना हो तो आप कैसे कर सकते हैं, बट इंटरनली मूव होना हो तो क्या प्रोसेस वगैरह कैसा होता है। डीप में आई नो इट इज़ कॉन्फिडेंशियल, तो थोड़ा मतलब हाई लेवल क्या प्रोसेस होता है तो वो बता दो आप।
So it's all about vacancies. जब मैंने इंटरव्यू के लिए अपीयर किया था, so there are few vacancies in like London office itself, and like it is as Ankit mentioned, it's quite confidential, or like there are systems and terms and other policies in place in every organization. So I can just tell you like in brief. So if you are an ACCA member and if you are working somewhere, if you want to apply, you can just visit the careers page of these companies and just reach out to the HR and like just follow that path. That is helpful. But if you are part of any organization, then there might be some global mobility page, or there might be some internal transfer page available in your organization or a company, be it any Big Four. So that's how I applied and then appeared for interview, and then I went in the same department itself. So that's all about my move from Gurgaon office to London office.
That's helpful. For sharing that information with us. So जो हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है वर्क एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर कि जैसे इंडिया में तो आप KGS में थे जो कि एक आउटसोर्सिंग यूनिट है, ग्लोबल सर्विसेज है। सो यहाँ पे आप ऑनशोर यूनिट में है, क्लाइंट फेसिंग है। तो वर्क एनवायरनमेंट में आपको क्या चेंज दिखा, कोई मैसिव आपको चेंज दिखा कि जो लोगों को वहीं से तैयारी करके आनी चाहिए इफ़ दे आर कमिंग टू द क्लाइंट फेसिंग एनवायरनमेंट? सो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहोगे, आपका एक्सपीरियंस सो फार?
So my current experience in London office is really good, and I can just vouch for the work-life balance here in UK. Although there was a very good work-life balance there as well, but yes, due to timing difference, people used to they might need to some work hard or clock some extra hours. But here you can speak to client directly in the same working hours, and now when you work, so the entire team sits on the same floor. And there are so many benefits out there. So if you are working with the team which is sitting in the same office, and your client is also based out of the same country or the same place, then it is really helpful for the person to just maintain that exposure and to learn new things. So I can definitely vouch for this particular opportunity. Yeah.
Thank you, Harsh. That's good to know that your experience has been very good so far.
Yeah.
But I know there are challenges if you're coming to some other country. In India, we are familiar with everything, with the language and with the people around there, and it is quite different here because people are they only like to work in the business hours. There are less opportunity for entertainment and all.
Yeah.
Which makes it difficult initially, but then you get used to it.
Exactly.
And then you have to go to the client side, meet the client, meet the big dogs in the offices face to face. So it's very difficult. Your accountability increases, and you are responsible for getting the files signed. So that is the difference that I can vouch for, because I know. That was good. So now moving on to the last question that we have is the advice for the ACCA students, or to the people who want to come to the client facing environment to any part of the world. If they are very much interested and keen in going to the next level challenges after doing their ACCA, or if they are pursuing ACCA and you want to learn something that can help you to apply abroad, then Harsh, if you have the latest experience now. So I've moved here 2 years back. Things were different there, and now after COVID, now we are in the recovery phases. So how the people are what are the challenges or advice you want to give to the students that can be helpful for them?
Yeah, to be honest, I'm not that experienced, first of all. Although, I was working in KPMG from 2020 itself. But yes, if I give an advice to the student who is in their study phase as of now, and just wanted to work outside India, so just try to complete your exam as soon as you can. Also try to get a job, whether it is in a small or a big company, and count your work experience. Once you get your membership, then your chances to get hired by an outside firm will be on higher side. So that is something which I can say. And prepare a good LinkedIn profile, start applying through the career pages, and just reach out to the relevant people. You can reach out to Ankit and myself as well on LinkedIn, and if there are vacancies or any positions, we're definitely there to help you guys.
Yeah, and I just wanted to emphasize and reiterate the point of for LinkedIn, that maintain your LinkedIn page very well. Try to be very professional there, and keep an eye on the career pages of various companies that you are aiming at, and then reach out to the recruiters as well if you want to apply for the jobs abroad, because you require sponsorship, and sometimes it's very difficult if you are applying to a career page of a company, then you don't get a good result from there. But if you are applying through a recruiter, then your chances becomes very good. So that's it from our side. So you can mail us, or you can reach out to us on the LinkedIn, and we can help you on various other bits as well if you want to come abroad, or if you want to pursue some other courses as well. So thank you so much for watching our video.
Thank you, Ankit, for having me.
Keep studying, keep doing ACCA, doing good work. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.